How to manage power and battery settings in Windows 11 for HP notebooks. You can adjust your power and battery settings on your laptop to reduce the amount of power your computer uses, maximize performance, or balance the two. To access these settings, go to Start and then select Settings. Under System, select Power and Battery. From here, you can see your current battery level and your battery usage history. Under Power, there are two drop-down menus. The first menu is Screen and Sleep, which allows you to adjust the amount of time before your computer screen turns off and your device goes to sleep, both when plugged in and on battery power. The next drop-down menu is Power Mode. This menu allows you to select a device mode based on increased performance, increased power efficiency, or a balance of the two. Under Battery, there are also two drop-down menus. The first menu is Battery Saver. Battery Saver mode limits notifications and background activity to conserve battery power. From this drop-down, you can adjust when Battery Saver mode activates on your device. The next drop-down menu is Battery Usage, and it displays your battery usage history with more detail than the graph at the top of the Power and Battery menu. This drop-down also displays which applications are using the most battery power. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.